Hello lovelies, you're welcome to the Nati Guide. Today's video is going to teach you how to create your own QR code for free. The tool that we will be using in this video is called QR Code Monkey. It is one of the most popular QR code generators that has been used over time. There's a link in the description. You can click on it and it will take you directly to the QR Code Monkey website. Let's dive into it. When you head over to QR Code Monkey, you can generate QR codes for URL, text, email, phone, SMS, VCard, MeCard, location, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Wi-Fi, event, Bitcoin, and more. You can take your time and play with some of the features they have on there. Let's look at the steps involved to generate our QR code. In case you are generating a QR code for a URL, you input your URL over here. So let's say I want to generate a QR code for barbaraNate.com. You can customize the design by clicking on set colors. You can make it color gradient. You can also customize the eye color as well, but I'm choosing single color. You can play with this. I'll go with red, blue. Let me take blue. Eye color, I'll go with light blue. Okay. You can also change the background color, but I'll maintain it to white for now. If you have a logo image, you can upload it using this upload button. I don't have one, so I'm going to skip this. You can customize the design of the QR code as well. After typing your URL and customizing your colors and logo, you can come over here and click on generate QR code. When you click on create QR code, the QR code will be generated for you. You can go ahead and download it as either PNG, PDF, EPS, or SVG. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.